Welcome back. I have said it a million times and I will continue to say it. My dream home is a smart home. So I am so excited to speak to our sponsors from Digi International. They are the leading provider of IoT, Internet of Things solutions. And today we are covering how to secure a smart home. And we've got Harald Remmert from CTO Cellular Solutions, Digi International, to tell us more. Hi, thank you so much for being here.
Hey, thanks for having us.
No problem. So look, smart homes are at risk of being hacked sometimes. Like I said, I love smart homes and I really want one, but I want to be safe too. Tell me a little bit about how we can, stay safe from all the hackers.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, smart home is great. I'm a technology professional and I love all the equipment that can help me, to make this home better, accessible remotely. But the challenge is, there's a lot of bad actors out there, right, that also try to hack into your place. One recent study by the Global Cyber Alliance, found that a smart home can have up to 12,000 hack attempts per week, right? So that's just incredible. And so how do you protect for that? We've really distilled it down in really 3 or 4 different areas. So the first one is really it's around passwords, right? So when you add a new smart device to your network, to your home network, you want to change the default username and password. This could be on your Wi-Fi router. This could be on your, Google, your Nest device, whatever it might be, right? The second one is really to use a unique strong password with 12 characters or more. And this is really important. You don't want to use the same password that you're using on Facebook or Twitter or so on all of your smart home appliances. And then the third one around passwords is really to enable two-factor authentication. And once that is set up, two-factor sends you a notification, text or email to confirm that it's you who's really logging in. Then the second part is really around, the equipment that you're using, the router. You want to use a quality Wi-Fi router with a good firewall, like one from Digi, which can detect and prevent attacks. Also, you want to set your Wi-Fi up with the highest level of encryption, and of course, use a strong password or passphrase. And then you want to separate your Wi-Fi network. So you want to have one for your work, you want to have one for your IoT devices, and then have one for guest Wi-Fi so that, if one area is compromised, that it does not affect the other one.
Absolutely.
And then also, if you're working from home, like most of us still do, you want to separate your work and personal devices and then, your IT team might be able to provide you with a IT managed router or a VPN that really keeps your work secure.
Yeah, and that's so good to talk about work because, hackers can also target businesses as well as homes. So given that, how can businesses best defend against hackers? Is it the same as what we do at home, or is there something special they should be doing?
Yeah, I mean, it starts with what we would do at home as well, right? But then it goes beyond that. So really, when the pandemic happened, the walls of the network that a business had to build up, expanded all of a sudden, right? So you didn't have the protection of your office anymore, right? So the physical access protection, the network access protection. Nobody could just walk in typically and plug in a device, right, and then get access.
All right. Well, we love that. And I hope all of the, we have so many business owners here in the Pacific Northwest. So I hope everyone is listening to that and stay safe. Thank you so much for being here, Harald. I know that helps somebody. I'm taking notes because I want a smart home. So thank you to you and our sponsors from Digi International. I cannot wait to stock my home full of all you guys' smart home devices.